Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make pro level edit. So this video is gonna be an advanced CapCut tutorial. So you need to open your CapCut now and create your new project by click this create and just jump into the stock videos and choose this black background, add into your project, and here is the project. And now you need to add a text here. So here I would like to do it the text. Go click add text and type the text that you want to have. For me, I would like to do it this. After you type it, go into the fonts, find out the fonts that you want to apply into the text. I would like to make it like brave fonts. And after you found the fonts, go into the styles and choose the styles that you want to use for your text. You can also resizing your text, make it bigger. And after you're done, you just need to go click checklist button, go random part, and let's screenshot this project. And after that, go open the screenshot result, crop it only on the frame of the text. And whenever you're done, you just need to click done and save to photos. Now you need to go back, or you can also directly go in here, delete this text, and click this plus button, jump into the photos and add the previous photo that we already screenshot before. And after that, you need to delete the other clip that we don't need to use anymore. And now we already have this text. Now I would like to show you an advanced tips, which is I would like to add the flashlight come and running from this corner into the opposite corner. To do that, you just need to go click the clip, and after that go find mask tools on this bottom part by slide into the left side until you find a mask, and then just click it. Now you need to choose this mirror. You need to make this mirror mask become diagonally with two of your finger. Rotate it with two of your finger. You can also adjusting the width. If you want to make it like a transparent look, you need to drag this point into the other side. Okay, now we got it. And after that, you just need to go bring this part into the first corner spots here, and just go click checklist button, go click this. Okay, my bad. Go back into the mask and go click this add keyframe. And after that, you need to drag this straight lines into the end of the video. So you just need to drag this part into the end of the video. But before you do that, make sure that the straight lines over here is standing into the end of the clip right there. And after that, drag the mask into the opposite corner. And after that, you just need to go click done, and here is the result. So that's for today's advanced CapCut tutorial, guys. Hopefully this tutorial is really helpful for you. Don't forget to leave some comments, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Toodles.